Guys, this is Pete from Pete's2cents.com. Today's December 17, 2009. Just want to give you a quick update on the overall market, my thoughts, and so forth. We're looking at the S&P 500 on a 3-month chart. It looks like the market, obviously, it's pulling back over 100 points now. It's 1 p.m. A little bit after lunch. Market makers are playing around usually after this time, after they have their lunch. We have to wait and see what happens at 3:30 just to see what the overall market condition and the market direction is going to be. So I'm going to wait at that point. One of my heaviest stocks are ConocoPhillips, ticker symbol COP, pulling back as well with the market, but not so much. I mean, its fundamentals are strong, as I've stated in a couple of videos past. So I'm still holding on. I haven't given up on it yet, but I gotta continue looking at the overall market. And if you see here, we're looking at 1097 at this moment. This is a 50-day line, like I told you on the 3-month chart. I think the market is going to retest, not as low as before, where it was 1050, but we're looking at around 1085, to be more accurate, 1087. I think if we retest at that point, we can probably make a nice bounce off 1085, 1087, which is right around this point here. I would play it as, once you get to that level, if you're not into any positions at this moment, you can start building your position once the S&P hits at that point, and then just make sure you have stop orders just in case we don't get below too far behind, below the 50. If it starts getting too low below the 50, then I would get a little bit concerned, as you see happen here in October as well. But obviously, it was a false positive, as I say, and it just bounced right back up. So it's you always got to cover your losses. I mean, I always try to tell everybody your losses are more important. Monitoring your losses are more important than focusing on your profits, because if you don't monitor your losses, you're going to lose a lot of money, bottom line. So play it, play it with a grain of salt, and just watch. Make sure your stop orders are in place so you don't get yourself into trouble. If you start feeling some pain, you need to sell the stock or lower your position and sell some stock. Okay, this is what I'm looking at right now. If it changes, I'll update the video and we'll take it from there. So 1085, 1087, that's what we need to look at. Tomorrow's Friday, so probably into next week. Also, something else to keep in mind, we have not had a strong Santa Claus rally. So this can be the overall market, professionals, everybody, even though you can't really control the market, but you can, if there's enough people thinking the same way. So if we get that Santa Claus rally anywhere between Monday and Wednesday of next week, or starting on Friday, guess what? It can bounce off 1087 or maybe before that. So make sure you have your watch list in order and ready to go, maybe with some buy stop orders. Or just, if you're a day trader, just watch the market obviously every day and make sure you're ready for that Santa Claus rally. I have some buy stop orders so I don't get caught with my pants down, and I can get the momentum and make a little bit of money that way. All right, guys. Let me see what else I was going to tell you. Yeah, that's about it. Watch out for that Santa Claus rally. All right, guys. This is Pete from Pete's2cents.com. We'll talk soon.